friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. His video is on traffic. Thank you.
So here we are going to discuss about the various method of improving line capacity. If my effort is good, I requested you all to like, share and subscribe my channel. So line capacity may be improved either by incurring expenditure, पैसा खर्च कीजिए और line capacity बढ़ाइए, और without incurring expenditure, बिना पैसा खर्च किए line capacity को बढ़ाना. So दोनों तरीका यूज किया जा सकता है रेलवे में. So let's start. How to improve line capacity by incurring expenditure. I am going to give various process by which through expenditure we can improve the line capacity, reduce the running time on critical block section, improve the speed of trains, either reduce the running time of critical block section or improve the speed, provide automatic signals, increase use of modern signaling system by provision of CTC on double line. By provision of CTC on double line, by provision of train describer, to use EMU or DMU for a stopping train. Train frequently stopping within 2 to 3 kilometers. We should provide EMU due to best tractive starting effort. By provision of AWS or by provision of ACD or by provision of PI, RRI or EI. So expenditure give some amount and increase the line capacity by increasing CSL of running line, by interlocking of LC gates or elimination of LC gates, by improving facilities at terminal yard commensurating with the workload. कार्य भार के अनुरूप जितना ज़्यादा कार्य हो उसके अनुसार से टर्मिनल यार्ड में सुविधाएं प्रदान करके. By provision of longer turnouts at stations to increase the speed of the train. More than one train can be attached and sent. By arrangement of independent shunting facility at important station to avoid constraints of reception and dispatch. Independent shunting facility on easing of ruling gradient. If we ease the ruling gradient, we need to run train modes. How to improve line capacity without incurring expenditure? Without incurring expenditure, the first thing is proper planning. Second thing is proper controlling, proper timetabling, proper efficiency by motivation and training to the employees, proper maintenance of instrument so that no failure, no detention due to failure, minimizing block operation time as minimize the line capacity we can able to run more trains by reducing crossing and precedence or by judicious crossing and precedence, by implementing management information system MIS, uniform traction so that traction wise detention should be minimized for one traction to other traction, loco change, etc. So that will be minimized by running heavy haul or longer goods train, keeping a watch on engineering restrictions which should be imposed for minimum possible period, keeping a watch on engineering by simplification of rules. As the rule will be simple, employees may understand it properly and efficiency will increase. Thanks for watching my video. I requested you to kindly like, share and subscribe, please. Thank you.